chocolate. Daddy naman eh. Wow! This is not Rocky Road, pero parang Rocky Road type. Vanilla with... Wow! Wow! Lagyan natin ito.
Party ice cream.
Marshmallow. Choco chips. Tapos lagay na natin to sa freezer. Ha? Coffee. Tapos ito naman ngayon. Ice cream. Homemade ice cream.